Hi everyone, Daniel here with Kira Home. Today we are cleaning the inside of a washing machine. This is one of the more dirty jobs that we do because it's really easy due to the design for washing machines to get really dirty and grimy. So the first thing that we actually do is we open this up and we're going to clean this gasket. Well, the way that you want to do this actually is just pull this back. As you can see, this one's already been cleaned, but if you're ever wondering where those missing socks go or anything like that, a lot of times you want to be looking in here. This gasket can actually be replaced if it gets too bad. It's a little bit of a chore, but it's easier just to keep it clean. You want to be doing this on a regular basis. Depending on the amount of laundry, it could be as frequently as once a month or about every 3 months will work too. But just pulling this back, we're actually, a tool that we're going to need here is a little rag like this. We're going to get that wet. We're just going to make sure that we're wiping this out completely. And then additionally, we're going to pull up on this gasket and clean all the way around this rubber gasket. Making sure that that's nice and clean is really important. That's going to help a lot with the smell. The second thing that we do is we actually take this tray out and using a nice little brush, we take this and you can see we've already started here cleaning a little bit and we just clean all this stuff using soap. And you can see this actually home is on a well and they've had rust issues in the past. By using this brush, we're able to clean that out and that really helps the detergent. The last thing that we do once we have that nice and clean is we're actually going to run a cycle using a washing machine cleaner. We're going to put that then in and then run a cycle. After that's ran and done a really nice clean, what you need to do on a regular basis is keep this door open. So anytime that you're done using the washing machine, you want to for sure just leave this open, at least a crack, to keep air flowing through this. If you close this, you're creating an atmosphere for mold and other algae and items like that to be building up. So making sure that we're leaving this open, at least a crack here, is going to prevent dry air and keep that circulating to prevent any of that bacteria from growing inside the washing machine here. Again, depending on the frequency that you're using your washing machine, I recommend cleaning this out between once a month and every 3 months, just depending on the use and the smell. If you're getting bad smells or your clothes is not coming out clean on the washing machine, you might have to do it more frequently. Also, a lot of times on front loading, you'll find that there's a filter on those two sides. You're going to want to be cleaning that filter out on a frequently basis as well, just to make sure that everything is running efficiently with your washing machine. If you ever have questions about the proper way to maintain your washing machine in your home, give us a call or respond to this video. We'd be more than happy to help you out.